Hello friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make a cute balloon kitten. I inflate an 18-inch black balloon to its full size. Then I press a little to the table to give it a round shape and make a knot. I inflate a black 12-inch balloon with 14 pumps and make an apple twist. Now I'm tying the balloons tightly. I inflate two pink 5-inch balloons with two pumps. I inflate two black 7-inch balloons with 2.5 pumps and make an apple twist. I'm putting an orange modeling balloon size to 160 inside a 5-inch pink balloon. First, I inflate a pink balloon, and then I inflate orange balloons with 3.5 pumps. I pull out the ends of the orange balloon and make two knots, cut off the excess, and form the kitten's ear. Pink balloon for modeling, size to 160, I inflate with two pumps. Then I alternately make a bubble, pinch, bubble, pinch. In total, you need to make 8 bubbles and 8 pincher twists. I fix this element between two balloons. Now I glue the rest of the elements to the shape. I use double-sided adhesive tape for gluing. I make kitten claws out of a pink modeling balloon, size to 160. I make a bubble, pinch, twist, bubble. I also make a mustache and a nose out of 260 pink modeling balloon. That mustache is a bubble of 4 fingers. You can draw eyes or stick stickers at your discretion. Thank you for watching us.